this is going to show you the partial product method for multiplying by one digit to however many. Alright, so in this case it's by 3 digits. Alright, so it doesn't matter if you start with the multiplying the 4 times the ones place, or the largest digit would be the hundreds. I like how it goes and narrows itself down when I'm adding up like that, so I like to start with the hundreds place first. So if you're using partial products, you're finding part of the product. So you're basically chunking this 712 into 700, 10, and 2. Okay? Alright, so start with 4 times 700. Well, you can look at it like saying 4 times 7, but those are still being represented, so I know because there's 2 digits that I'm not multiplying by that they still need to be represented by zeros. So however many digits I'm covering up, in this case it's 2, they come down as zeros. Alright? So 4 times 7 is 28 with, we said 2 zeros, so that would be 2800 or 2800. And in order to find that, we said 4 times 700. Next, I need to move over to the tens place. 4 times 10. Well, I could count up 10, 20, 30, 40, or I could say 4 times 1, but I'm covering one digit, so that's 1 0. 4 times 1 is 4, so 40. Does 4 times 10 equal 40? 10, 20, 30, 40. It does. Last step is multiply the ones place. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. So I've covered each digit, multiplying each of them by 4. We call these the partial products because they're part of the product. When I add them together, now we add partial products up. 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 plus nothing stays 8, and 2 plus nothing stays 2. So then we have our total product of 2,848 using the partial product method.